Hello everyone. Figure shows a process on a gas in which pressure and volume both change. The molar heat capacity for this process is C. Option given the C is equal to 0, C equal to Cv, C greater than Cv and C less than Cv. So now you look at the graph here. It's a PV diagram. This process is starting from the point A and it is reaching at the point B. So for the explanation, we can say here this process is carried in other path. You can say it as the path is carried through AC and then CB. So process AB can be equal to process AC plus the process CB. Now you can look at this one. The process AC is carried at a constant pressure. It is carried at a constant pressure. Same way, the process carried CB, it is carried at a constant volume. At a constant volume. That means the process AC is carried at a constant pressure. So specific heat capacity we can consider it as molar specific heat capacity CP. And same way CB is taking place at a constant volume. So we can write here the molar specific heat capacity can be written in terms of CV. Alright. Now you can look at this one. The process is carried from A to B and same way A to C, C to B. As we already know, both the process is reaching at the point B. So it's a state function. We can write here it doesn't depends upon the path. So the internal energy in the process AB will be equal to the internal energy in the process ACB. So internal energies are equal. And as we already know, the area under the PV diagram, area under PV diagram is equal to the work done, is equal to the work done. So we can write here work done in the process AB will be greater than the work done in the process ACB, because the area under the AB will be greater than area under the ACB. Therefore we can write here using first law of thermodynamics, UAB plus WAB will be greater than UACB plus WACB. dQ is equal to du plus dW. So UAB plus WAB we can write here QAB will be greater than QACB. And the molar specific heat capacity we already know Q is equal to NC delta T. So C equal to Q by N delta T. Consider in the process AB the specific heat capacity is C. So we can write here C will be greater than what is in the process QACB. We can write the CP plus CV, because in the process ACB is taking place at a constant pressure and at a constant volume. So molar specific heat capacity will be sum of CP and CV. So the final answer C is greater than CP plus CV. So option will be C greater than CV. Hope you understood this one. Thank you.